Hey beautiful people, welcome back again to another exciting video. In this video I'll be teaching you how to make beautiful homemade turmeric and honey soup using a simple glycerine soap base. It's super easy to make, 100% natural and perfect for glowing and healthy skin. If you want to see how, let's dive right into the video. Okay guys, the first ingredient we need for this soap is a glycerin soap base. This is a glycerin soap base, and what I have here is 350 grams of glycerin soap base. I made this glycerin soap base and the video on how to make it is right in my channel. I think it's a video before this one right here, so go check out how I made this glycerin soap base. So the first thing to do is to cut this glycerin soap base into pieces. Cut them into pieces and put it in a heat resistant bowl and put it up for melting. If you're new on this channel, hi, my name is Clara, and in this channel I make DIY videos of skincare products, hair care products, liquid soap making, bar soap making, and all the rest of them. And I would love you to hit that subscribe button before you and turn on your notification bell to get notified anytime I post a new video. Of course, you will love being here because this channel brings value to you. So yeah guys, let's continue. After cutting the soap into smaller chunks, you cut them, make sure you cut them into smaller chunks to be able to melt easily. So you get a heat resistant bowl, put all of them into the bowl. Like this is the heat resistant bowl I have here. I'm putting all of the chunks into the bowl. After adding it there, I'm going to do a double boiling method. Double boiling method is a pot. You place a pot, add water into it, allow the water to boil, then you put the bowl of these chunks of soap into it for the soap to melt into a liquid form. And you are going to be using a very low heat to do this because glycerin soap base has alcohol in it. You don't want to use a very high heat to melt it so that it doesn't get caught on fire. So you have to be careful. Use a very low heat to do the melting. So here is the pot of boiled water, and I've placed the bowl of soap into it, and I'm going to stir gently to make the soap melt in evenly and quickly. So here is the process, and it will be taking about 3 to 5 minutes to melt this soap. Here the soap is fully melted, you can see, and the next thing is to add the next ingredient, which is turmeric. Here is turmeric, and I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of turmeric into this mixture. I think I added too much turmeric into this soup. I don't know. That's how I felt when I was adding it. I felt like adding more. So I added 2 tablespoons and it came out too much, but it doesn't matter. It's all good. I added 2 tablespoons, and the next one is to add the honey because this soup is turmeric and honey soup. So I've added turmeric. The next one here is honey. I'll be adding also 2 tablespoons of the honey that is contained inside this cup is up to 2 tablespoons. So here is 2 tablespoons of honey and 2 tablespoons of turmeric, and I'm going to mix it into the soup. You want to make sure to mix in the turmeric and honey into the soup properly. Mix it for a couple of minutes, like 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure everything is mixing properly. Then you get the next ingredient, which I'll be using essential oil to add into this soup. I'm using sweet orange essential oil. Essential oils has its own benefit into the soup, and also it gives it a good smell. It makes the soup smell also good. So I'm using sweet orange essential oil into the soap. After adding, I'm still gonna mix in well. After mixing, I am done with the mixing. So the next thing is to get the mold and start pouring in the soap into the mold. After 24 hours, the soap is fully hardened. So here is the soap after 24 hours, and I'm going to be unmolding the soap right away. Guys, our beautiful glowing turmeric and honey glycerine soap is ready. This soap helps brighten the skin, reduce dark spots, and keep the skin soft and moisturized. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with any of your friends or family members. And also let me know in the comment section what kind of soap you would want me to bring the video next. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video and see you in my next one. Bye.